So this is an update video of Independence Layout Phase 2, that is Banana City Estate in Enugu State. I made a video of this estate in one of my videos, and I decided to do an update video concerning this amazing estate because some clients of mine wanted to buy into this estate. So we went for an inspection and showed them around the estate. So I said, why not I just show the progress of this estate and how far it has gone. Okay, so this is the phase 1 of Banana City Estate, and it is selling for 25 million naira, while the phase 2 is selling for 15 million naira. I mean, it's affordable, and the value of this land is amazing because there's already a lot of development. As you can see, they are building already, and they are building fast in this estate. Okay, so stay with me to the end of this video because I'll also be showing you the drive-through video of this amazing estate, that is from the express road down to Banana City Estate, to show you that this estate is not just is close to the road, and it is very amazing and good for your investment, and it's also good for your buy and build property. Okay, so stay with me to the end of this video and do not miss out for anything. So this is where I started making the video, from the express road down to Banana City Estate. As you can see, the road is still untiled because they haven't started working on the road yet, but they have commissioned the road. So they started from New Artisan, so they will be coming down from New Artisan. New Artisan is very close to this road, close to Independence Layout Phase 2. So they'll be coming down from New Artisan to fix the road. They're already fixing New Artisan road, so from there they will move down to this Independence Layout. And as you can see, the road is very wide, so once they fix it, the road will be amazing. Okay, so this is one of the reasons this estate is very valuable, and there is rapid growth in Independence Layout Phase 2. It's one of the sought after neighborhood in Enugu State. A lot of people are rushing to secure a plot or two in this area because they know the value and worth of this area. Okay, like development and a lot of movement is going into this area. So watch this video to the end to show you how far and how long it takes from the express road down to this estate. This estate is amazing, and it is very good for your investment and buy and build property too. Okay, so call me now on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let me help you secure this amazing estate for your future. It's very good, like I said, for investment, and you will not regret it at all. Okay, it has deed of assignment and power of attorney. So just call me on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let us secure this amazing plot for you. Now, there are some parts of Independence Layout Phase 2 that has issues with the government and the court. That's why you should do your due diligence before you buy any property in any area at all in Enugu State. Most properties in Enugu State also have issue with court or the government. Okay, make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure that the property is well registered in the right authorities, and make sure that you go and do your search on those properties. Even if it's inside an estate, it's advisable that you should do your search on that estate, on the agent or representative that is helping you to buy that or purchase that land. It's very necessary. Okay, now I always make sure that every property I sell in any area, be it Nikkei, be it Independence Layout Phase 1 or Phase 2, I always make sure that I do my due diligence and that property is in safe hands, that it is well registered. Okay, so it's better that you do your own due diligence. It's very helpful so that you not enter into the hands of scammers, or you buy a property that is in court that at the end of the day you are paying much more, higher than the price you paid. All right, and make sure that when you're making your payment, you should pay into the account of the company, not an individual, so that in case of any problem, if any problem should arise, you can hold the company responsible, and they can either refund you or give you a land in a better estate. This way you are safe and secure. Okay, but if you send the money to an individual's account, or if you pay cash, there is no way to trace it, or the person might even run and you don't have anywhere to find the person. Okay, so make sure you're very careful before you buy any property. This is one of the reasons why you should call me to help you secure your own plot, because I'll help you do your due diligence. And all the properties I post, I did my due diligence on them, and I make sure that the companies are legit, so you will not have issue with any of these properties that are on my channel. Okay, so make sure that before you buy any property, it's very advisable, even if they're on my channel, I advise you that you also do your due diligence. You are also into the process, so you see how and what is involved to get a genuine property here in Enugu State. Okay, I hope you had an amazing time watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you loved what I talked about and you want to know more, you can subscribe to my channel. You can also chat me up on the number that is displayed on the screen and ask more questions concerning properties, legit properties in Enugu State. Okay, make sure you ask your questions. I'll be here to answer you and help you out. I'll be here to make sure you secure an amazing land or property here in Enugu State. That's my job. Have an amazing time and make sure you invest with confidence. Okay.